Good morning, Daniel. Before we talk about your resume, I would like to understand you as a person. Who are you beyond your job title? And how could your closest friend describe your personality? Which qualities make you different from other candidates? Good morning. Beyond my job title, I am someone who values responsibility and growth. My closest friend would probably say I am calm, reliable, and sometimes too serious. The qualities that make me different are my consistency and my desire to improve step by step. I may not be the loudest person in the room, but I work with discipline. All right, very good. Where did you learn your work ethic? Well, I think I learned my work ethic at home. Okay. And when did you realize that discipline was important in your life? Who influenced you the most during that time? I want to know. Um, my parents worked long hours, and I saw how effort creates stability. I realized discipline was important when I started university and had to manage my own time. It was not easy. My father influenced me the most because he always finished what he started. All right. Which project in your career has shaped you the most? And how did it change the way you see professional success? The project that shaped me the most was my first team leadership experience. It was difficult because we had different personalities and deadlines were tight. I learned how to listen, organize tasks, and stay calm under pressure. It changed my idea of success because I understood that success is teamwork. All right. When do you feel most productive during the day? And where do you usually work better? In silence or with background noise? I feel most productive in the morning because my mind is fresh. I usually work better in a quiet environment where I can focus deeply, organize my tasks by priority and deadlines. And I try to finish the most difficult tasks first. Who do you admire professionally? And which habits of that person would you like to copy? Well, I admire leaders who are calm and clear in communication. I really respect managers who listen before making decisions. I would like to copy their patience and emotional control. I developed those habits by practicing active listening and thinking before speaking. I see. Okay. What kind of environment helps you grow? And which type of leadership style motivates you the most? Why does that style work better for you? Tell me. I grow in environments where feedback is honest and constructive. I prefer leadership that is supportive, but also demanding. That style works better for me because it pushes me while also guiding me. Where do you see your biggest opportunity for improvement? Are you currently working on it? When did you notice this weakness? I noticed this during a university presentation when I felt nervous. I am putting myself in situations where I have to speak in front of others. Okay. Which failure has taught you the most in your life? And how did you react when it happened? Who helped you recover from that moment? I once failed an important interview for a job I really wanted. At first, I felt disappointed and insecure, but I analyzed my mistakes and improved my preparation. My family helped me stay positive and reminded me that one failure does not define my value. When you feel stressed at work, how do you control your emotions? When I feel stressed, I take a short pause and breathe deeply. I try to separate emotions from facts. I also write down my tasks to reduce confusion. That helps me regain control. Okay, this is an important question. Who do you live with now? And how does your home environment affect your professional performance? I live alone. My home environment is quiet and it helps me focus and rest. Which political ideas do you support and how do they influence your decisions at work? Um, I prefer to keep political ideas private because they are personal. At work, I focus on collaboration and performance, not political differences. Mm, which religion do you practice and how often do you follow its rituals? I think religion and spirituality are private topics. I prefer not to discuss them. In a professional interview, I am here to talk about my qualifications. Why are you avoiding these questions? And what makes you uncomfortable about them? I'm sorry. I'm not avoiding questions about work. I am avoiding questions that are not related to the job. They make me uncomfortable because they are not personal and do not measure my professional skills. How can we fully understand you if we don't explore every part of your life? You can understand me professionally by evaluating my experience, abilities, and attitude toward work. My private life is not necessary for this position. How do you feel right now? And what are you thinking at this moment? Right now, I feel concerned about the direction of this conversation. I am thinking that a job interview should focus on professional competence, not personal boundaries. I feel very uncomfortable now. How often do you take a shower? It is important to see if you are a clean person. What? That's not a question you should ask. I don't think you. How many times do you go to the bathroom a day? It is important. You know what? That's it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Hey, wait. We haven't finished. When are you coming back?